Hey there, welcome back to Wireless Solutions, your go-to channel for simplifying your tech troubles and making tech feels like a maze and more like a walk into park. Today, we are going to tackle about Samsung Galaxy A54 for beginners. Let us dive in. Here's what we are diving in today. Sending text messages without the embarrassment of autocorrect. Downloading apps from the Play Store. Yes, it is that easy. Customizing quick settings and notification to make it yours. Let's jump right in and get you in control of your phone. Step 1. Sending text messages. Alright, let's talk texting. Because we all know typing out lol is just not cutting it anymore. Here's how you send a real message that will impress, or at least get a response. 1. Opening the Messages app. Tap the Messages icon from your home screen or app drawer. Tap the New Message button, usually a glass or pencil icon. Tap the text field below and start typing your message. It's like sending a digital postcard but without the stamps. 2. Sending the message. Once your message is all set, tap the send button, the paper plane. 3. Attaching media or files. Tap the plus icon or paperclip icon in the text field. Pick the media, photo, video, document, etc. you want to send. Select the file and hit send. Now you have mastered sending more than just words. You are sending a whole experience. Step 2. Downloading apps from the Play Store. Need a new app? You could just Google it, but we are going to do this like pros. Let's get those apps onto your phone. 1. Opening the Play Store. Open the Play Store app from your app drawer or home screen. Tap the search bar at the top. Type the name of the app you want to download and press enter. 2. Installing the app. Tap the app that shows up in the search results. Tap the install button for free apps or buy button for paid apps. Wait for the app to download and install. 3. Identifying free versus paid apps. Free apps show an install button. Paid apps show a price button. Example, $1.99. Or launching an installed app. After installation, tap open from the Play Store or find the app icon in your app drawer. Tap to open and start using it. You are officially the proud owner of a new app. Go explore the future. Step 3. Customizing quick settings and notifications. Want to make your notifications and toggles work for you? Not the other way around? Let's tweak some settings. 1. Accessing the notification panel. Swipe down from the top of the screen. The notification panel will open. 2. Customizing quick settings toggles. Tap the edit button or pencil icon in the top right corner. Rearrange or add or remove toggles like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and flashlight. You are customizing your phone like a tech wizard. Now everything is where you need it. And that's a wrap. You now know how to navigate like a pro, send messages like a ninja, and customize your phone to be as unique as you are. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Wireless Solutions, ring the bell so you never miss an update. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll be there faster than your Wi-Fi signal to help you out. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you into the next one, where we will make tech even less frustrating. Hopefully. Bye for now.